This is how to fix Facebook Messenger not sending messages issue. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Messenger account. Now here I'm gonna click on any chat, and after that here, just to show you, I will send a message. Once I type in my message and click on the send option, now as you can see that the messenger is not sending my message. So to fix this issue, what you can do is you have to go to your mobile settings. Once you are there in your mobile settings, now here you have to go to the network and connection, and then you have to turn on your flight mode, and after that you have to again turn it off. This will fix all the errors related to your network. You can also try switching between your networks. If you are on Wi-Fi, then you can use cellular data. After that you can try again sending message. If this not fix your issue, what you have to do is you have to go to your Chrome browser, and here in the Chrome browser you have to search for the downdetector.com. Once you search for this, now you have to click on the first link, and after that it will take you to this website. Here you have to scroll down and go to the messenger option. After that here you have to note if there is a sudden spike in the lines. If there is a sudden spike, then this means the messenger is down. Now you have to wait for the time until this error is fixed. You can also try clearing cache and clear data of your app. After that your problem will be fixed. So that's how to fix messenger not sending messages issue.